Hey guys, Kalam here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create lots of infographics using ChatGPT and others AI tool. These two AI tools are totally free. You don't need to spend any single money here. First, I'm going on ChatGPT. Then you can write anything here. So I write here then I click just enter. Then this ChatGPT give me few data about of Bangladesh and Bangladesh population, and you can use your own country and your targeted country. Example purpose, you want to create a geographics video and any others video, you can use ChatGPT and use this napkin AI tool. It's totally free of cost. You don't need to spend any single money. I just copy this data from ChatGPT, then just okay, then go to this napkin AI. You need to log in here with your Gmail. This is very easy. I hope you are doing this work perfectly. Now you need to click on new napkin, then paste your prompt here. I want to create one by one, then click on and first this one. Okay, this is Bangladesh male and female list. 49.8% female and 50.2% male. And if I going another one, this is another style. This is, you can see this really good and attractive data. If you are using any others video editing and photo editing software for using and creating these infographics, you need lots of time for creating this type of infographics, but you can use ChatGPT and this AI tool, and you can create lots of infographics in less than 10 minutes. You are able to create at least 30 to 40 infographics, and if you are create deeply, you must be create 10, I guarantee you, using this AI tool. Then if you want to download this one, you are just select one, then you can see this is a download option. Just okay, then click on this icon, then select your dark theme or light theme you want to download, then select your file, PDF, PNG and SVG. I select PNG because I want to use these infographics for video editing on my YouTube channel. You can create any purpose, this doesn't matter. And this is economic data. Just click on power icon. Now this AI tool create for me this data. You can see this is economics. Okay, this is good, and IT sector, agriculture. You are able to customize your pattern color and this icon and everything you are customizable. Then click on the download button, then select your theme, then click on download it. So this is the method how you can create lots of infographics using ChatGPT and this napkin AI tool, and these two tools are absolutely free for joining. So if you found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.